Hey guys, if you're like me, you've been watching a lot of the news lately and getting kind of discouraged. So I thought it was time to go buy a new toy, and that's what today's video is about. We're just coming home right now from the gun store. We bought us a new shotgun, so we're gonna go play with the new shotgun. Stay tuned. All right, this is it. It's the JTS 12 gauge AR platform. All right, here it is. My son's holding it. It's kind of cool. It looks just like an AR-223. The sights, they flip up. Unflip that one up. It's got the rail on top. Let's just look at this bad boy. I'm gonna rotate it around. The stock is not collapsible. It's a fixed stock. But you ready to go shoot it? Let's go shooting it. What rounds are you using today? Winchester 2 3/4, I believe, aren't they? Let's see if they cycle through. So far they are. You don't think so? Pretty fun?
Yeah.
I'll put another clip in it.
Yeah.
These magazines only hold 5. And that was a quick 5 rounds. Let's load up some more and have some fun. Alright, we got one loaded. What are you going to shoot at? That was pretty impressive. Let's see it. What are you going to aim at? That was 5 rounds. Did it cycle okay?
Yeah.
Let me shoot it. Wow, that's a lot of loving. You want to shoot it some more? This is not your last 5 rounds. I can tell with this gun you're going to go through a lot of shells. That's a good smile there. You like it?
Yeah.
The JTS 12 gauge AR.
M12 AR.
Pretty cool. Alright guys, well that's our short little video on that JTS AR. Jordan gives it how many thumbs up? 2 thumbs up. Now we did have a problem at first when we shot it. It wasn't ejecting the shells right, but on the end of on the barrel end, there's a little selector, and I moved the selector. I think it was counterclockwise, 1 notch, and they ejected up pretty good, don't you think?
Yeah.
So if you guys are looking for a good little shotgun, I don't know if it's legal to shoot skeet with it though, is it? That'd be fun. But the JTS 12 gauge, go check it out.
M12 AR.
What was it?
M12 AR.
M12 AR. So thanks for stopping by and watching the video. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.